Okay guys, so let's move on to YouTube video imports, right Charanya?
Okay.
So this is going to be amazing. So I'll go here and you have this, if I scroll it down, I see YouTube here. So I can just drag and drop it here. Okay Charanya? Done guys. So now all I have to do is click on this and give the YouTube video URL. That's it. So I go to YouTube. So I'll search for my first look AI. Okay, hold on. I go to YouTube. So I type first look AI or whatever it is. Okay.
Please paste URL for your channel only.
Yeah. So I can click on right click.
Some other channel's URL.
Exactly. So I can click on copy link address.
Okay.
Go here. Whatever. So I go here and something and just put it here. Paste. That's it. Done. Video is loaded. Okay.
Done.
Super. Done. So that's it. Then you can publish and the video will play. Okay guys.
Super.
So that is how you can have a background for a YouTube video. So if you want to add a background here, okay, here in the app store there's something called video background that you need to search on. Okay, it's for the video background that you need to search on for the app store. Okay, so if I'm here in the app store, I can go and search for video background. Okay guys.
Okay,
so I can search for video background. So now I have this YouTube background or something, right? This kind of stuff, you can download it. Once you download it, all you need to do, you'll get something like this. Okay, you'll get something like, I'll show you. Hold on.
No,
no, not there. I search for YouTube background. Here. Now you can add this here. Okay guys, and then once you upload that particular YouTube video's background, the YouTube video will come as a background here. Suppose if I show you, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So I'm here and once I go to mobile phone, correct guys? So I can even mute this. So I can go here and I can just click on this and I can mute audio or unmute the audio. Okay, I can make it autoplay, whatever. You can even change the background color of here. So suppose I'm here and I go to mobile phone. Okay, you see this guys, the video will play now. You can even see this in this column. You can see the video is going to play here. The video will play here. You saw the guys, video is playing?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So you can see it in a full screen also, that you can see.
Or you can see it in a preview.
Yeah, in preview mode or publishing in the actual site, you can see it. So that is how to add a video background. Okay, so I'll delete this now.
Looping video like.
A looping video kind of thing. So that is done. So if you want, you can even adjust it, the duration. Suppose you say 10 seconds only, the video should start playing and all, you can adjust there only. That's not an issue for you.
Okay.
So that is how you add a video background. Okay. Now, what I'm able to tell you is, so as I was talking to you about that, you can look at the different kinds of, say apps. So pop-up apps, music player apps, file embeds, on all this stuff, FAQ apps, different kinds of apps that you can look at here. Ticket apps, animations, right? So all these kinds of apps and all, you can look at it here. Now, how do you get the apps? Go to App Store.
Okay.
And then you can choose whatever app, free apps or paid apps or whatever apps you want. So if you want free apps, click on free apps. Okay. And then you can look at whatever apps you want and then install it. So to install it, you just have to click on this. And there will be one add option and that's it. You can add the app and use the app, whatever you added will appear in the build column. In the left hand side, it will appear. And then you can use the apps. You can use the app. So it's very easy. So there are different kinds of apps, audio apps, booking apps, social apps, marketing apps, whatever.
If you want to add columns or if you want to add a contact form to fill by the customers.
That's like very important. Very, very important, Charanya. Yes. So you can add all that, okay?
So you can all those things using
App Store. So embed code. If you have see, people have talked to me about, sir, is it possible to custom code and all this stuff? It is still possible in Weebly to custom code. So you can drag the embed code and put it here, guys. And then you can even custom code in Weebly. Okay, so programmers are not left behind. You can edit the custom HTML and start you put your code, the code will display in the output format, whatever you have done.
Wow.
So the custom codes, custom whatever you want, you can custom code. Don't worry about that also. If you're a developer, nothing to worry here still. Okay guys. And then contact forms, you can add contact forms also. So contact forms will help you to capture the customer's information. All that stuff you can do in contact forms. So all that stuff you can do. And if you want, I found a very quick amazing stuff in Weebly, guys. I'll show you what is that. Okay, so I in apps, I mean, here in apps, this is a bonus thing from me. Okay, because every time in every course I give a bonus. So here I give a bonus. This is called snow. Okay, this is useful for websites where you will love it. Okay, it's kind of a snow effect. Okay, your website will look like this.
Wow.
So your snow will come in the website. We'll show this live demo for them. Okay, so click on live demo, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add this app. Okay, guys, or we can show a live demo only of this. Okay, so choose whatever snow app. Oh, 1 minute. I think I'll have to add this, then only I can show them. Correct, guys? Saranya? So I'll add this. Then only I can show how it is coming for them. 1 minute. I have to refresh this page. Sometimes I think whenever I add this, right, this one will come. I mean, there'll be some kind of interruption. That's not an issue. So I think I've added this. Let me check in the app, Saranya. My apps. So is it appearing in my apps? Let's see it. Because that snow effect I want to show them. That's very easy. That's very amazing for them. Let me show them in my apps. Is the snow there, Saranya? Is the snow there? Can you check? The snow app there? Because snow app, I wanted to show them very easily. 1 minute. I'll show them here. Snow app. I'll give. There are two kinds of snow effects, Saranya. Okay. Let me try to add this here. Add. Yeah, now it'll ask which website you want. This is added already, right, Charanya?
Oh, right.
I've already added this. Now I think I'll have to just publish this. Now I think the snow effect should show. What do you think, Charanya? It's going to show or not?
Okay. It will show.
It will show, right? Yes. Let's wait for some time. Is it showing? Not yet. Okay, I think we can do one thing. So I think we have disabled it or something like that. Let's check here. Let's go back. So what we're going to do is we're going to apps. Hold on. We're going to close this. We're going to build, and here the snow would have appeared, I think. So can you check whether snow or something would have appeared? What was it called? Snow effect, right, Saranya?
Snow effect, right?
Snow effect, right? So I'll go to apps. Because I want to show them that kind of effect. It is very interesting. Okay, so we'll go to the snow effect. I'll do an ad again. I want to correct this. Here it's some problem is coming. Let me put this. Because when I try to connect it, no, or we'll do one thing. Okay, Sharanya, I have one more idea. Okay, I have one more app here that says because this app which I used to use all the time, correct? So maybe some issue, maybe with the server or something. But let's have one more app. Okay, let's click on snow,
okay.
And then you have page effects. You see this app?
Yeah, right.
Page effects. This also has a different kinds of snow effects or whatever effects that is. Okay, you can add this also if you want. So I'll add this. Connect this. Because snow effect was an app which I used to use all the time. It's amazing. Today some server might have been some issue. Not an issue. Okay, I've added this. So what I'm going to do is so I can go back once this is done. So I have one effect here. Let me just show him. Yeah, you see this animated background, Saranya?
Yeah, right.
So once I put it here, I put it here. Okay, now I can add the style. So click on this. Hold on. So here I can choose the effects that I want. So snow or whatever effect that I wanted. Okay. So then I click on save, and then I publish this. Okay, so you can look at different apps. Animated background also is one more app. Okay, that you can. Now I click on this, that effect should appear. Okay, the effect has to appear now. I'll remove the video, this one, okay, Sharanya, so that you can see the effect properly. Okay, Sharanya. Okay. So I can remove the video background and then I click on once again publish it. So animated background is also one app that you can do. So now I can add this. Now I can refresh this. Hold on. Do you saw that? The heart thing is coming. Wait. I'll reload. Hold on. Wait. So I'll reload. The heart thing is coming. We look for the snow, but we got the heart. We are geniuses. Okay. Hold on. So see, animated background is one more app. You have different apps. Okay. So the snow will be the second, I think. Wait. Let me check. This one we have the heart along with this one. Okay. You see this? The kind of tech kind of thing when I'm scrolling the mouse. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I want to change the style of this to something else, okay, maybe I'm looking at effect 2. Okay, effect 2, and I save this and now I publish. Let's look at different effects, how it looks. Okay, that's going to be amazing to the core. Let's look at this effect, Sharanya. Let's go to once again reload the page.
Okay,
let's look at, see which effect is going to make it. I added one effect, I think, which has the hearts and this one. Let's see this time what we're getting. It's again the hearts, but let's see, Sharon. Let's see. You saw that? You saw the bubbles coming in here.
Yeah.
So that is one more effect. Okay, the kind of bubbles kind of thing that's coming in, right? Pretty good, right? You saw that, Sharanya? Okay, and also the snow thing has worked. The hearts are a different effect, and this is a different effect. So there are different effects that has come here. Okay,
super.
Pretty good, no? And if you want to actually look at, say, what are those effects, you can head over to my apps. Okay. Hold on. I'll tell you. Because without the effects, the course is going to be amazingly interesting with the effects. So what I'm going to do here is, hold on, I'm going to show you something. I'm also going to show you something which will, this one to the core. Yeah. You see this, guys? So this is the snow effect which I was talking about. Okay. This was the snow effect, Sharanya. So this is a place where you can remove the apps. Suppose some app didn't work. You can always remove it. Suppose some app didn't work, you can click on this and remove the app. Okay. That is also pretty good to remove the. This is like uninstaller kind of thing that will work wonders. Okay. So yes. So guys, now you looked at how Weebly you can use, how you can do the pages part, how you can do the website part. Right, how you can do the theme part, how you can do the app part, how you can do the settings part, and all this stuff. In the next video, Sai Manoj is going to talk to you about AI web design trends. Okay,
right.
How AI is going to change the world of web design and all this stuff, and that will also help you a lot in terms of the theoretical aspects is concerned. Okay.
Okay.
I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing course. Okay, and you also enjoyed the hearts instead of the snow. Okay, or even you would have enjoyed that pretty amazingly. Okay, and always remember, whenever you do a Weebly this one, you can always publish this, because publish is always important for you to save things. And I will also look at how amazingly you can create stuff in Weebly, right? Because it's very important for you to create amazing websites using Weebly, which will delight you to the core. Okay, so even for your clients, as I told you, you can create amazing number of sites you can create, and this will help you a lot. Whatever problems you are facing, you can go to settings, and you can look at different things that you can go through settings, and you can edit the site titles or whatever you want you're doing, you can do that. And definitely this will help you a lot to be a successful website designer. Using Weebly, you will be able to do that. Okay. So this is drag and drop, very easy for you. Thank you, guys. This is Srinidhi Ranganathan, marketing legend, and we have here Charanya Srinidhi here, right?
Yeah, right.
Who is saying goodbye to you guys from here. Bye bye for now.
Bye.